Modern medicine is undoubtedly one of humanity's greatest achievements. Today, many conditions that once caused severe harm or even death are easily treated with simple pills. However, contemporary medicine is not without its darker and sometimes bizarre aspects. Let's discuss 10 intriguing facts about medicine. Visiting a doctor for an unpleasant procedure can be comforting when you remember that doctors undergo extensive training. Nevertheless, medical errors occur more often than people assume, and the consequences can be devastating. For instance, diagnostic errors can significantly impact a patient's life. Imagine receiving a false cancer diagnosis and undergoing aggressive, unnecessary treatments, or the opposite, being told your symptoms aren't serious, delaying critical care. Around 10% of medical errors involve misdiagnoses, resulting in incorrect medications or improper dosages. This issue particularly affects elderly patients managing multiple medications. Surgeons also make errors. Sometimes they perform surgery on the wrong limb or even the wrong patient. One of the strangest surgical mistakes is leaving instruments like scalpels or clamps inside patients, unnoticed until after the operation. Such mistakes occur due to protocol violations, fatigue among medical staff, or poor communication during patient transfers. Medical errors remain a significant issue. In the United States, approximately 200,000 patients die annually because of these errors. While exact statistics for other countries might not be available, complications due to medical errors affect thousands of people worldwide each year. Despite these alarming statistics, it's crucial not to fear doctors unnecessarily. Similar to car accidents, medical errors shouldn't deter people from seeking treatment. Instead, choose reputable specialists and healthcare institutions. In the future, medical errors may dramatically decrease due to artificial intelligence and surgical robots, which already operate with higher precision than human surgeons for specific procedures. Worldwide, there's a severe shortage of donor organs. In Western countries, only about 4 out of every 100 patients receive needed organ transplants, with 90% requiring kidneys. Jokes about selling kidneys aside, legally selling an organ is impossible almost everywhere except in Iran. In Iran, individuals legally sell their kidneys, receiving approximately $4,500, equivalent to a year's salary, along with lifetime medical insurance from the government. Although this system addresses the organ shortage, it raises ethical concerns, as most donors are financially desperate. Globally, an extensive black market for organs thrives, involving enormous sums of money. Wealthy individuals from developed countries often turn to illegal transplant services in regions like India, Pakistan, Southeast Asia, and Latin America. Procedures in these illegal facilities often pose significant health risks due to unsafe conditions and inexperienced surgeons. Science may eventually eliminate the illegal organ trade through regenerative medicine and bioprinting, technologies allowing organ creation from a patient's cells. These developments could significantly reduce organ shortages and eliminate transplant risks, although widespread use is still in development. Before medications reach pharmacies, they undergo rigorous clinical trials to evaluate safety and efficacy. Clinical testing on humans includes several phases, starting with healthy volunteers, followed by patients with relevant conditions, and ultimately large-scale comparisons with existing treatments. Developing new medications is costly, sometimes billions of dollars, impacting their final market price. People participate in trials for altruistic reasons, financial compensation, or early access to potential treatments. History demonstrates tragic consequences when medications are insufficiently tested, such as the thalidomide disaster in the 1950s. Marketed as safe for pregnant women experiencing morning sickness, thalidomide caused severe birth defects. Over 10,000 children were born with significant deformities. This catastrophe led to stricter drug testing regulations worldwide. Surprisingly, thalidomide later proved beneficial for treating leprosy and certain cancers under strictly controlled conditions. During surgery under anesthesia, a rare but frightening phenomenon called anesthesia awareness may occur, where patients regain consciousness but remain paralyzed. Although exceedingly rare, approximately 1 in 10,000 surgeries, it can leave lasting psychological trauma. Modern monitoring equipment has significantly reduced such occurrences by carefully tracking brain activity during surgery. Historical medical practices included bizarre treatments. In the late 19th century, for instance, Australians believed sitting inside a decomposing whale carcass helped relieve rheumatism. The warmth from the rotting whale supposedly reduced joint pain. Another odd practice involved reusable laxative pills made from antimony, a metallic substance that remained intact after digestion and was passed down through generations as valuable items. Occasionally, medication side effects dramatically boost a drug's popularity. Ozempic, introduced in 2018 as a diabetes treatment, unexpectedly gained immense popularity for its significant weight loss effects. Initially expensive and exclusive, it quickly attracted affluent users, including celebrities. Doctors began prescribing it off-label for weight loss. Ozempic's success significantly impacted Denmark's economy, where it's produced, strengthening the Danish krone. Though effective for weight management, patients must take it continuously to maintain results, as weight returns rapidly upon discontinuation. These fascinating insights into medicine reveal both its impressive achievements and unsettling realities. Have you experienced any challenging medical procedures? Share your experiences in the comments.